well said. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Hello everyone, and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What I am going to do today is I am going to show you my everyday makeup bag for the month of March. Now this is mainly the bag that I will keep downstairs with me for whenever I am not feeling well, don't really want to come upstairs because my back's hurting, because whatever the case may be, but I still want to put on a little bit of makeup. So I keep a bag downstairs because honestly, sometimes getting up the stairs is a little much for me because of my knees and everything anymore. But I thought I'd go ahead and share this with you. I did do one of these last month as well. Now, this is the bag right here. Now we're going to start with, now I'm going to put the same brushes in here as I had last month. So I will just go ahead and refer you to that video where you can see the actual brushes. But we'll go ahead and start with face products here. I'm going to have the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. I want to give that a better go of it. And then I have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. Now, honestly, I cannot read whether this is in medium or neutralizer. But either way, you know, whenever I do a tutorial or whatever, I will for sure have the name of it if I use that one. So, and then the other face product I have here is the AOA Perfect BB Cream. Now, I recently mentioned this in my favorites video. So there's a couple products that are awesome products that I did mention there. And then this here is the NYX Gotcha Covered Waterproof Concealer. Waterproof. Now, this right here is something that I'm working on testing out and everything. And if you want to see a review on any of these products full on, let me know in the comments down below, and I'm happy to do that for you. You know, wear tests, whatever the case may be. And then this here is the e.l.f. highlighter. Well, I don't know for sure what this is called, honestly. It doesn't have on here what it is. But it's these little e.l.f., I think they're the cover sticks or whatever sticks. These have been around for forever. It's in Spotlight. It's basically a cream highlight product. And then I also do have a primer here. This is the Luminizer Primer by Pores No More. Looks like that right there. So, and then as far as other face products go in here, I do have just a couple more actual face products here. I've got the Wet n Wild Contouring Stick. Looks like this right here. It has a highlight shade on one end and a contour shade on the other. Then I know I mentioned this in my recent favorites, or in my recent video that I did, this look right here, the No Mirror Makeup Challenge, the Blind Beauty Challenge, and that is the Forever Nude Sculpt and Glow Palette by BH Cosmetics. That's this right here. Now, I do have that in here just because it is a great all-in-one, travel-friendly palette as well. And then here is a Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. I have it in the shade Light Medium by e.l.f. It's something I'm working on testing. This is another $2 product from e.l.f. You know, let me know, like I said, if you want reviews on any of these products, because I am happy to do that. And then this right here is the Becca highlight in Champagne Pop. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Powder. Or, pardon me, pressed powder, I believe. And it looks like this right here. That's just a little sample size, I believe. Keyword, believe. I don't know for sure. I don't know what the full size looks like. But I'm pretty sure that's just a sample size. So, then, you know, usually I don't put a whole lot of higher end products in, but I thought, well, you know, might as well get some use out of the higher end stuff that I do have. So go ahead and toss it in, just because. And if anybody does want a review or whatever, then I can go ahead and do that. So, because some of these items I am trying to use up. And that is one video that will be coming up soon, is a project empties, whatever you want to call it, video. And this right here is the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny in black. Now this is something I got because it'll be good for the waterline, I think, once I can get used to that. And then this here is the, if I can, it's by the brand Skin, S-K-I-N-N, Bright Eyes. Now I've had this for a while, so I thought, why not try to use it up? Then this here is the Clinique, I believe it says Pretty Easy. I can't see what this says, but something pen. Looks like that right there. I'm going to have that in here as well. And then this is the AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil. I have that in here. And then I only have a couple more products in here, well, technically 3. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational in Pink Wink. Because I also have downstairs already the Wet n Wild Catsuit in Rebel Rose. And then this here is the e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette. Looks like that right there. Now this here is, like I said, another higher end product. But if you want a review on it, let me know. You know, if you get subscription boxes at all, you can get higher end products, sometimes full size, to try out, to play with, to whatever. This is the Glam Metals palette by Crown Pro. Looks like this right here. Woo, metallic, metallic. And it looks like this right here. You know, a lot of real smoky colors, but you can tell there's a lot of shimmer. So, I'm just getting used to doing a lot of shimmer look. So, you know, but that's mainly it, besides the brushes, like I said, that I'll have, you know, in here like before. As well as, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. So that's going to be in here as well. So that right there is my March beauty bag. I do hope that you stay tuned, because in the coming days or whatever, I plan on doing my everyday makeup drawer for March as well. I'm not going to film that today. I have already done this eye look, or this face look actually. It is the full face no mirror makeup challenge, and I'll link to that down below if, you know, it's already up, which it should be, as well as my monthly favorites. And I'm going to be filming my personal favorites next, so that can go up on my vlog channel. I do have a vlog channel where I do try to post about once a week, sometimes more depending on what's going on, what is happening in my life, whatever the case may be. So I do hope you subscribe there as well as here, because I'd love to have you at both places. And please also follow me on all my social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, you name it, I probably got it. So, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. My top 5 videos linked below are New Maybelline City Mini Palette Review and Demo, What's in My Purse, Garnier Argan Oil and Cranberry Extract Review, Get Ready With Me Easy Natural Drugstore First Video, Styling My Short Bob.